Have you ever heard of rubbing a cucumber on your plant stem? At first it sounds strange, but once you know the secret, you'll never look at cucumbers the same way again. This simple trick comes straight from experienced gardeners. When you rub a fresh cucumber slice on the stem of your plant, the natural juices act as a shield. Cucumbers contain compounds that repel ants, slugs, and even some harmful insects. The scent is something pests hate, but it's completely safe for your plants. Not only that, cucumber juice leaves behind a thin, protective layer on the stem, helping keep fungus and disease away. Simply cut a fresh cucumber. Rub the inside flesh directly on the lower stem of your plant, and repeat once or twice a week. That's it. No chemicals, no cost, just a kitchen hack with powerful results. Try today, and you'll see why gardeners secretly swear by this cucumber trick. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more garden hacks.